Right, let's just walk down to the gates. Nice and peaceful this time of the morning. A few dog walkers about, but that's about it. Here we go. Let's get these gates open. Looks like there's a couple of people here down the bottom. Let's get it open. Right, let's just walk down to my plot. Nice and peaceful. The car you see in the distance belongs to Roy and Margaret. Late 80s, 4 gardens, all immaculate. It's a pity the rest went like that. Right, almost there. You can see it. I've been doing a bit of strimming at the front of here. I did some of Kevin's next door to me. I had the strimmer out. I might run over it again with a line strimmer. I used a brush cutter on it yesterday. Once a line strimmer on there as well. Here we go. I'll quickly show you what I was doing yesterday, which I'm going to come to finish off today. Right, all down here. This bit here was quite high in all that grass and weeds, so I've trimmed it all down. Got all that at the back of there to do. And that'll clear this area, rake it all up, let it rot down a bit, and then make something of it. This is my fruit area, so I'll not be dug over or anything, just tidied up. So let's get to the work. Right then, I've been down to the car with my barrow, got my strimmer, you can see down there on the path. Grass cuttings from yesterday's lawn cutting at home from the compost bin, so let's get them in there now. Just get rid of them cobwebs. Right, give them a little spread around. That's that done. Let's get rid of this bag. Right, let's get down the bottom with the strimmer, get some strimming done. Right, let's set this camera up down here. Right then, let's get this get the strimmer on the go. It's a bit noisy, so I'll start it off, then I'll put you on time lapse. Here we go. Right then, it's the big clean up. Rake all the cuttings up off the ground and then run the hoe over what's left to get cleaned up. Right, this was a bit too bad for the strimmer who was snapping the line, despite it being an industrial strimmer. So I've got my chopper, I'll chop it down right to the ground. This seems to be working better. So put it on time lapse and I'll get this all cleared away. Right, starting to look much better. These two tree stumps I need taken out. I went till there's a chainsaw on site, get them chained down. So in the meantime, let's get this clear the weeds. There's all sorts of rubbish up there. All needs to come out. Get all that growth chopped down off that tree and see where we are. Right, this is starting to look much better. I'm just going to rake these loose overgrowth away from here now. And we can see where we are with clearing the ground. There we are, looks much more visible what I need to do now. Right everyone, thanks for watching, thanks for being with me this morning. I'm done for the day, and please subscribe, like and share if you haven't already done so. Really appreciate that. Until the next video, bye for now.